Hey guys, Strawberry MSP here. Today guys, we're going to be making, I'm going to show you guys how to make some slime. I have 3 upstairs, but you know, in the basement, so people leave me alone when I make my slime video. That must look disgusting, but I made brown slime with it. I'll show you my slimes in the next video. So, all you're going to be needing to make this slime is Elmer's glue. I'm using glue all, which is worse, and shaving cream, which I got from the dollar store for $1.50. This one's cheap. And I got a container with a lid and mixing utensil and some activator. You can use Tide, liquid starch, borax, but I use Tide. So, and here's my pink slime. Just kidding, it's like this kind of stuff for this, but like, I was gonna use it as beads, but you know, I tried it before, so you know. Wait, can this come on? How do you see me? Okay, so, get back into the, I see you again! Get back into the video. So we're gonna need glue. We're gonna add our glue. Add glue. Okay, wait. Okay, so we're gonna get started. Okay, so let's get back into the video. Sorry if the camera is shaky because I'm not using real camera. Wait. So wait, I'm just gonna send in glue. Okay, that should be enough. Try and be careful so I don't get any glue on the surface. So now we're gonna add the shaving cream. Sorry if you can see my fingers, so I have to get it out of the way. And the shaving foam. You want to add a cup, half a teaspoon, like a cup of this, like how much I added, but I might have added too much. So let's get mixing. Okay, let's get into mixing. So we're gonna mix this fluffy slime, and shaving foam, and I hope my camera does not fall in this. I'm gonna get so sad if it does. And I'm gonna keep mixing this. Okay, now it's almost finished because I have to get all the glue out from the bottom.
Just bad.
Okay. And then what else you want to do? Sorry, I got first let me hold them. Yes, I wipe my hands on the ground. And now I'm going to pour some detergent into the cup here. That's how much I'm going to need to make the slime, but not that much, I think. Okay. Now let's mix a little bit and then add some, whoops. Add less than I did, because then the slime will start forming faster. I add a little bit at a time. So here we go. See, it's already forming. We're just gonna keep mixing.
Are you seriously trying to snipe?
Look at it, it's all lumpy. So you want to keep mixing until the lumps are gone. Oh, gross, guys. I keep kidding me. Okay, and then we're going to add the walls. Mix it up. Not too much, though. Okay, we're going to now keep mixing, and we're going to put it on the surface now. Because we're going to knead it until it's fully formed. just gonna grab everything on there and then mix on the surface. Oh, I don't want it to go in there. Okay, now I'm gonna mix with one hand. This. Whoops, guys, I gotta. Okay. Okay. As much as I could get right now, so now let's keep mixing. Okay. So it should start forming like mine did. So yours should start forming right now. Gotta add more treatment. My camera thing is wobbly because it's on the washer. But
how much batteries can you buy for dollars for $12,000?
We're just gonna collect all of this glue so it doesn't get hard, and then we're gonna have to scrub it off. And then when your slime is done like this, if it's a little too sticky, just put some activator in your hand and then wipe it, and then start kneading the slime with the activator in your hands. And this should start looking like this. Sorry if the camera's shaky, it's just because my setup is like right there. And it looks like my setup's about to fall in the washer, because it feels like this washer top is gonna fall in. Okay, so that's how you make fluffy slime. But if it's not fluffy when it comes out, go ahead and get your shaving cream, shake it up, pour a little bit in, just a little bit so you don't ruin your slime. Start mixing. It's okay if your hands get dirty, just keep mixing. Don't wipe them, because then they'll waste an area. Just keep squeezing it. Oh, that one's fine. Just keep squeezing it. Oops. Okay. Okay, so that's that then, I guess. So that's how you make your own very fluffy slime. That's how you make fluffy slime, guys. So yeah. Let's get in with some slime ASMR. So yeah, guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I wanted to give you I wanted to give one of my best friends a special thanks for showing me the slime. Well, her name is right there. Her channel, go subscribe to it. My channel's right there, so subscribe. And this going wrong way.
I see the game starting.
This video right here, that's how to make basic slime. That's how you make your basic slime. So yeah, bye.